In this video, I'm going to be sharing why your newly created Facebook page has a monetization policy issue, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbita family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Grow Better. In this channel, we teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. Okay, a lot of people have been chatting me via WhatsApp and also through comment section that their newly created Facebook page has a Facebook monetization policy issue. There is this guy that came to my WhatsApp that was like, I've not posted anything on my Facebook page and it's showing that I'm not following their policy, right? So the thing is that you need to understand that when you create a new page, your page must reach 30 days before it will be eligible for monetization, right? So that's the number one reason why your newly created Facebook page has that Facebook policy issue, right? So once you create a page, you need to wait for like 30 days for the page to be able to be monetized. So once you create a new page, you will see that in most cases it will have that monetization policy issue until it now exceeds 30 days, or then the thing will now come back to normal, right? So if your page is over 30 days and this thing is still showing, it actually means that there is something you are not doing right. Either you're posting a content that is not yours, or you're using a sound that is copyrighted, or maybe you are not following Facebook community guidelines. So these are the two things that can actually make your newly created Facebook page have Facebook monetization policy issue. So if your page is more than 30 days and these things are showing, you need to examine the kind of content you're making, if you are not following Facebook guideline, right? Or if you are posting people's content, you need to start posting original content, right? And if you don't know how to fix this issue, basically I've already made a video on how to fix Facebook monetization policy issue, and I'll be dropping the link in the description so that you can actually go and watch that video and learn how to fix this issue, right? So and before you fix the issue, make sure that you are going to be doing the right thing. So most people, after watching that video and they do exactly the same thing that I did in the video, instead of them to start posting original content, most of them might just stop posting. And when Facebook review your page and see that you are not posting, most times they might not approve you, or some people might have actually do that same thing and keep on still doing that wrong thing that they were doing before. So most important thing is that when you request for appeal, right, make sure that you start posting original content that is following Facebook guidelines. You see that after 2 weeks, maybe when they have reviewed your page, you see they will approve you. I have a lot of testimony people in my WhatsApp saying that they did the same thing and they approve them, and also I have many people who actually say that after they did it, they did not approve them, which is because they did not deviate from doing that bad thing and start doing good thing. Most of them actually deleted all their content and appealed. Instead of posting new content that is original, they did not do that. They just left their page like that and expect Facebook to approve them, which Facebook will not approve you. Facebook approve you because they see that you are already doing the right thing. All right, so basically for all of you that be asking me why your newly created Facebook page is having issues, monetization policy issue, right? You just need to understand that either your page have not reached 30 days or you are doing the wrong thing. So if you are really doing the right thing, then that means your page is not yet more than 30 days. Your page must be more than 30 days before the thing will now show you green. So take your time and create original content, overlook that. So after 30 days, you will see that it will come back to normal. So thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to here. If you're new on this channel, I will urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we post amazing videos every day and you can't afford to miss them. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Maxi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you all for watching this video and remain blessed. See you in my next video.